Hello everyone, today let's learn how to make this video. At the very beginning click on Insert and go to Media. Go to Stock Videos and select a short clip of an ocean. Insert the video. Now insert a text box and write the required text. Adjust the font size, and position of the text box. Now select the video clip and then the text box. Go to the search bar, click on Merge Shapes and select Combine. Go to Playback. Select the Start function automatically and click on Loop until stopped. The slide is ready. Click on Slideshow to see the wonderful slide you created. So, that's it. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe for more videos.